Hi devs, welcome to Code in Short. Today's video is all about React state management. Suppose this is John, which we named in the last video. See his age progression. He's 1 year, in 7 years he will be 8, in a few years he will be 15, then 25, then 60. Similarly, some variables inside our component need to change according to the events, and that is when we use states. So let's get started. For this, we are going to import useEffect hook from React. It is not exported default, therefore we are going to use curly braces for it. This hook will help us create state variables inside React. So let us create our first state variable age by writing const space square bracket age, which is our variable, comma set age, which will be the function which we use to modify our variable age, and then close the bracket. Then we will make it equal to useState hook function. This function will have the initial state of the age as its parameter. For now it will be 0. Let us pass the age state variable inside the baby's component by sending it as a prop. Inside the baby's component, we will render the age by adding or concatenating props.age to props.name variable, which we added before. It's rendering. Now we need to create a button which will fire an event for increment of the age. So button on click C's capital is equal to bracket open. We will call the function, and inside that function we will again call a function set age, which is the function which we created while creating the state variable, which sets the value of the state variable, and will pass the current value, which is age plus 1 into it. This will take the value and increment it and set it as age inside the age variable, thus changing the state. We will name this button as get older, and on every click it will increment the age. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Thus you have learned how to do state management inside React. If you liked the video, please do like, share and subscribe the video. If you have any questions, please write them down below the comment box and share this video to as many people as possible. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I release a new video. Thank you. Have a great day.